Discover Acreos Collaborative Mode, up to 8 connected simulators for group training sessions. 16 exercises designed by instructors immerse you in realistic scenarios: earth moving, stockpile recovery, feeding a crusher, backfilling, blasting, and much more. 3 immersive environments are available: the large quarry with its tiered roads, the work-in-progress soil area, and the small quarry with its crushers and narrow tunnel. Each machine displays in real-time individual and collective productivity as well as fuel consumption. With Observer Mode, follow the session from your computer. Drone view, screen sharing, dynamic weather, traffic settings, restricted zones, and the ability to pause the session to give your instructions. An event log centralizes all loading, dumping, warnings, and machine breakdowns. Finally, complete the exercise with one click and instantly view results on all simulators. Acreos Collaborative Mode delivers precision, coordination, and performance to enhance your training sessions.